Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad 2 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in the left section we have to scroll down to find notifications and status bar. Then let's tap on status bar, which is at the top of the list, and as you can see here we've got two options which are connected with the battery, so the style and percentage, and depending on the style you can display percentage in a different manner, in a different way. So let's start with the battery style, the horizontal one. After setting the horizontal, you can see that we've got plenty of battery percentage options, so actually 3 of them. You can display it inside the battery icon, as you can see, outside the battery icon, or do not show it at all. But basically you can choose between inside and outside battery icon. By using the vertical battery style, you can only decide whether you want to display the battery percentage or not next to the battery icon. We've got also the loop option, so the same situation next to the battery icon, or do not show it at all, or you can do not show the battery style, again, you can show or not battery percentage, totally up to you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.